Welcome to the watch list. I'm Lindsay Melchak. 3iQ Corp, a global pioneer in digital asset investment solutions, is pleased to announce that after its first 2 days of trading on the Toronto Stock Exchange, the 3iQ Solana staking EFT has amassed $90 million Canadian. And here to ring the bell louder for us with all of the scoop is President and CEO Pascal St.Jean. Wow, Pascal, this is mind-blowing news. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. We're so pleased with the success out of the gate and just the confidence we've gotten from investors, both institutional and retail, since our launch last week.
Absolutely. And this is a very competitive space that you're in. So my question right out of the gate then for sure would be, what factors do you attribute to this rapid adoption? And really, how does it reflect investor confidence in Solana as a digital asset?
So I really think there's two things to look at. One is 3iQ as a brand, and the other is the work we've done over the past several years. So as pioneers in this space, we do a lot of work educating regulators, and which is how we were able to be the first ETF in North America to stake with our Ethereum product a few years ago. And so that coming into Solana allowed us to package a lot of innovation in ETF. So you're not just getting exposure to Solana, you're also getting exposure to the staked asset. And that was very compelling because that's something right now that, although Solana is not available in the US just yet, is still something that's on edge. They're not sure if the ETFs that are proposed in the US are even going to have staking. So that allowed us to attract institutional demand as well as a lot of retail interest. And so for that, it made it a clear winning product in the market after launch here in Canada.
That's a great kickoff right there. Now, 3iQ's history of pioneering digital asset investment solutions really did include the first publicly traded Bitcoin and Ether funds in Canada. So how does this launch align with your long-term vision for the company's role in the evolving digital asset landscape?
So it just continues on our mission. Our mission has always been the same and continues to be the same, which is to bring safe, secure, simple access to Canadians and now the world. 3iQ is a global company now, to the world of digital assets. And so this continues on our mission. We wish we could have launched this much earlier, of course, because it's been almost 5 years now since our Bitcoin and Ether fund launches. But it takes time to educate, to work with industry, to work with regulators, and we're not afraid to do the work. And so we've been doing it for the past several years after our launch, and we're super proud about the Solana launch because of all that work.
Amazing. Did you think that it would hit that high right out of the gate?
We had hopes, but I could tell you I'm a hard person to please, and this has met above and beyond my expectations. So we had high hopes, but this is even beyond what the team had hoped for, and we're super thrilled.
Well, this is a definite top-tier accomplishment, and we will be keeping our eyes peeled for more to come, and please do come back and join us again.
Absolutely, my pleasure.
Again, that was Pascal St.Jean, President and CEO of 3iQ Corp. Their website is 3iq.io. Stay up to date on all of this news and so much more right here on StockUs.com. I'm Lindsay Melchak. We'll see you next time.